I am Venkatesh, founder and director of VEERA Group. Now in this video I am going to share about what are the product we have and what we are doing. It is useful for the people who is looking to waste to energy and waste to money. You know, in this world there is nothing waste as long as if you have a technology or solution for that, you can able to convert waste to energy or waste to money.
What inspired your company to focus on waste to oil diesel conversion as a key area of innovation?
Yeah, that is a great story because 5 to 6 years, I think 6-7 years before, we were in waste to energy in biomass and biogas and those things. And I have a vehicle which is having a high fuel consumption. It is an XUV 4x4 vehicle. I like to travel more, but it consuming a lot of fuel. Looking into for alternative solutions like how we can reduce the fuel cost. And that's I was googling something. Then I got it that waste oil can be converted into diesel. Then we researched after a regress of 2 years research and development. And I come to know that we can able to make waste oil to diesel, and we did it for ourselves and use it in our vehicle, and even we had a truck and we use it. I just bought a truck and we tested it, so it was working fine. Then that's what we started the machines and start selling in Alibaba and our website everywhere worldwide. And the idea has a good international market, and that's what we are start selling.
Can you explain the core technology or methods your company uses for converting waste oil into diesel?
So now I am talking about waste oil to diesel. It is a simple distillation technology, but it has the more unique features which other companies or other technology does not have. Distillation is nothing about something we learned about in schools and colleges, like you heat the water and you get the vapor, and that vapor is, if you condense, then you get a liquid phase again. The same thing is distillation, but the main thing is our catalyst. So we have our proprietary catalyst which can able to convert a normal molecule into diesel molecule. When you're heating up, then the oil will get heated, and that oil you will get vapor. So that vapor, with help of catalyst, it converted into diesel molecules. Again, the vapor has been cooled down by using our intellectual condenser. That will cool down the vapor into diesel form, and that diesel we are using it. This can be used in heavy equipments like trucks and generators. For cars and stuff, we can add it with 10 to 15% of regular diesel for Euro 4 or Euro 6 cars. Now we are into molecular distillation because we had a regular distillation with catalyst, but now we are into molecular distillation. See, the molecular distillation is nothing, it's not like very rocket science, because most of the companies, they don't share the technology, but we are very open to say this is what we are using and this is what. With the help of our catalyst and the molecular distillation, it is the word, it is called the molecule. There itself you have the answer of the technology. That means, if like take an example of a hot pan. It is a hot, when you put the water, you just like a drops, like whole volume, then it takes a lot of time to vapor. But with the help of molecule, if you spread it like scrap it, so the water will be split into small molecules. So when it's smaller, then the heat transfer rate is high. With the lower heat, you can achieve higher output. So that means in molecular distillation, it's split into small molecules. So the same example like a hot pot, when you split the water into small molecules, it evaporates fast. That is how in oil, so what we do, we have a system that will split into smaller molecules, and that will make the process fast and also less energy consumption compared to other distillation process.
Do you incorporate any advanced technologies such as catalyst, chemical engineering innovations, or AI to optimize the conversion process?
We are already using catalyst, and we are keep researching our catalyst to get the better performance. So what is a catalyst? It is a catalyst is the react with something, some agent will react with the base one, and the oil vapor is react with our catalyst. It forms the good quality of diesel and good yield also. And we are also using remote monitoring system AI, and we are going to launch soon with the Android mobile app. We are having a remote monitoring already, but we don't have an Android system. So now we have Android that will keep the records. So that kind of developments and research is going on.
What is the environmental impact of your waste oil to diesel conversion process?
See, actually, waste oil in most of the countries like South America, Europe, or Africa, and India. India is having some reusable, but still, the waste oil is throwing into environment that will affect the soil, affect the water, affect everything. So it's better to have a technologies to convert something useful fuel and that won't have the emission. So that is how our technology helps to convert that used engine oil or hydraulic oil, which is throwable in the trash, that can be converted into a useful fuel. So it is having more benefits and advantage for the environment.
What future plans or innovations do you envision for improving waste oil recycling and its integration into worldwide green energy ecosystem?
Our ultimate motto is every technology is usable when it's affordable. We are already in the stage of affordable, but still we want to cut down our cost of machines and make it more compact. It is our machine is already compact, but still we want to have such like one side you just pump the waste oil and system should be like a phone. See, early days if you see a computer, it is like a room size. Later it becomes smaller, smaller. Now you have it in your hand. Like that, we want to make it in a smaller compact and also make sure the quality also we don't compromise quality and develop the product which is affordable. So everybody has the waste. They can just buy our system which is affordable and they just get the output and use it. And they can. Our ultimate goal is to create more entrepreneurs worldwide. Because if you take a bigger machines, then you can put like thousands and thousands of hundreds and thousands of dollars. But our system, few $1,000s can make you an entrepreneur, and you can own your own business. That's what our ultimate we want to do. It's a win-win situation for both of us. We get satisfaction in business, and you also get business. And that's what our ultimate goal.
What kind of maintenance is required for these machines?
See, our machines are very simple. It's very transparent, very open. Yes, it has maintenance. Every day you have to clean, take out the sludge. That's one thing. And regular period checkup, like everything is perfect, all gaskets are no leaks and stuff. And these are the things. And monthly ones, you have to clear the condenser. And the catalyst, as long as every 5,000 liter or 10,000 liters, you have to take out the catalyst and wash it and put it back because our catalyst is reusable. So that it is very, very effective. So the remaining things, we will share whoever buys the machine, we will give you clear manual for how to operate and also how to maintain that.
How do you ensure the affordability of your machines while maintaining high standards of quality and performance?
Because that is how our R&D and our technology and our students are playing the vital role. Because our company is not just an individual commercial. It's a team. VEERA Group is a team work, and there are a lot of brains involved. The young brains are involved, and our R&D team is so strong because our young brain from various colleges, our students who are doing the interns, and also I focus more on R&D. So our R&D is the core strength. We can able to give an affordable product with a high standard quality because we are able to supply it in Germany, in Europe. We maintain that standards and that's what we do.
Thank you, sir.